Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Can you hear me? Okay. Now traders, I would suggest you to mark these two levels on your chart. One is selling pressure zone, another one is buying pressure zone, right? These levels already I have discussed with the private Telegram group members. US market is about to open and it looks flat to positive. Around 9 previously only I had said this is the buying pressure zone. Later I gave this update saying that this is selling pressure zone. So you can see BTC from selling pressure zone it has corrected, from buying pressure zone it has moved up, so it is in a range. Okay, so please mark these two levels on your chart. Now simply this is the first trade which I'm going to take. I know US market is going to open and things like that, but market is consolidating within this range, right? In case if it opens and if it starts moving towards the upside, a nice momentum I will be able to capture. That is why I'm thinking, okay, should I buy right away or should I wait until market holds this level and break or holds this level and break? Based on that, should I take the trade? I'm thinking. What is your view about the market? Can huge move expected in BTC tonight ahead of Fed event, sir? Yes. Maybe if they say rate cut is going to happen, continuously they have not cut any interest rate. So if rate cut happens, see for buying pressure zone market is already here, right? 2 minutes time. But if I enter the trade after hitting my stop loss, if it goes, then it will be a problem. But anyways, risk is going to be small. So first trade, I will just buy this, okay? I'll buy this. And for this, I'll scroll down, paste my stop loss. So this is the stop loss price I have set. Now what is the logic? We know market is within this buying and selling pressure zone. US market is about to open in 1 minute. When market is closer to this buying pressure zone, in case I enter, my stop loss for this trade I've got it small, but by chance market moves up to this zone or up to this resistance, quick movement I'll be able to capture, right? So with that logic, I have already taken the entry. Market from the buying pressure zone, it is going. We will see what happens. It can correct, hit my stop loss later, again it can move. But whatever it is, US market is looking as of now flat to bullish. So by chance, right, by chance, if this move continues, quickly we would have entered the market, and if it holds on to the selling pressure zone and continues these levels also, market can move. So for that, I should not be worrying about taking that small stop loss. Now just the market is open. Now those of you who do not want to participate in this trade, you don't have to. But this is the logic I've taken the first trade. Already many trades, nice setup already in the community group I have discussed. It completely depends on how you made use of it. So traders, what is your view about the market? Rohit Reddy sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Before the market opens itself, we have taken the first trade. I have explained the reason why I have taken this trade. This is just a hunch kind of situation, I can say. Little below this buying pressure zone only I have kept the stop loss. So stop loss is reasonable only. If it hits my stop loss, later if it is moving towards the upside, nothing can be done. Because we are playing with US market open, right? So as soon as the market opens, there is volatility. Knowing that only I have entered. If it takes my stop loss, what can I do? Nothing. But if the movement happens, continuation happens, market takes support, moves up to this level, bigger movement I would have been able to capture. Now that it is correcting, coming to my zone, anyways I've kept the stop loss. We will see. Little below this buying pressure zone only I've kept. Maybe these wicks are there, right? Market can clear this wick, right? By giving breakdown, later it can move up. We will see. Anyways, first trade is done. Exactly what I said is happening right now. We will see, traders. Market momentum quickly I thought of capturing, so I planned to enter. So again this buying pressure is happening. So this is the zone, buying pressure zone. This is the selling pressure zone. This candle has created the problem, or else again I would have re-entered. If this shows continuation, again I will not get proper entry for my trade. Market open means US market open this time. So market has breached the buying pressure zone as of now. We will just wait for just 2 minutes done, right? So we will wait for another 2-3 minutes. We will see. Now how many of you captured this moment? Some time back I had discussed about the setup, right? This bearish setup towards the downside. Market has reached the target. After that it has given additional move. Whoever trailed their stop loss, good. And when I informed about the buying zone, I said no fresh bearish trade. If you have exited from the trade, good. Capture that move, sir. Okay, good, sir. Rohit Reddy. Market open means okay. Now little bit bearish continuation is happening, but let me not jump into any trade as of now. Continuation is happening. Now where can the market now take support? That is something that we need to see. See, I'm not having a bullish view or bearish view. US market was kind of neutral. So with that view in mind, all I decided was, okay, if market corrects, um, if it market starts moving towards the upside from the buying pressure zone, we can capture decent movement, right? With that logic, the first trade I entered. So from here, 1,04,000 zone. This 1,04,000 zone I'll just mark. Okay. Now this can be, now this became selling pressure zone and this will become buying pressure zone. So maybe let's say I copy this. See, just because US market is open flat to positive, I'm considering this, okay? This can be the buying pressure zone. Let me see, maybe. Three. I will see till here what the market is doing. It is continuously showing bearishness. Maybe just like sir said, because of the Fed meeting also, the situation can be like, okay, people might be little worried about what the Fed is going to say, things like that. Are they going to cut the interest rate, or are they going to just keep it as it is? Based on that, market can decide. There can be some kind of confusion in the market. We will see. As of now, wick is getting created at the zone. Now, how many of you captured the first move? Just let me know in the comment section how many of you captured the first move. Now you see market is kind of respecting the buying pressure zone. So here I'm just thinking of taking one more trade. So today plan is just to take small trades in the market, so that in case possible, if I try to try to capture the bottom, if that is possible from my end, maybe a bigger momentum is possible. That is why I'm taking the second trade also so quickly. Not necessary everyone has to take the trade along with me. Now you see this is the first buying pressure zone. I said here I was looking for opportunity, I could not get. Again market has corrected. So by then all the weak players, whoever entered by position during this correction, they would have exited. Now again I'm thinking of this to be a buying pressure zone. From here again, if market moves towards the upside, I'll try to capture, or else with a small stop loss I will consider to exit. Okay. Now here in case market is breaking this level also, then this was the previous support, right? From here if these buyers are strong, there's a high probability they can push. Stop loss hunting, all those things kind of is over in the market as per my understanding. But Fed meeting I'm not taken it into that much into consideration, because that is close to 10 o'clock, 10:15. Before that any movement towards the upside I wanted to capture. What if market had opened near the selling pressure zone when I planned my trade? That time at the selling pressure zone I would have looked for any bearish setup, because I know okay, this is the maximum stop loss I can give. In buying pressure zone also maximum stop loss I had given. Market took that stop loss, so no big problem. I did not plan for bigger stop loss. If I had not kept stop loss, it would have been hit and more loss I would have made. Now this is the second attempt. If this also fails, last one attempt, I'll wait for some more time. Based on that I will see. Little concern is there about the Fed meeting, things like that, but hopefully. The problem is the stop loss, is it a reasonable one or not? I'm thinking, should I place it little lower? Because again after hitting the stop loss, if it moves, then it will be a problem for me. So just for a safer side, I'll keep my stop loss little lower like this. And from here if the trend continues, okay. If it takes my stop loss, I'll give it. I got my stop loss hit. How did you get your stop loss hit, sir? Maybe you would have taken the first trade, right? Maybe first trade which I said bearish trade up to this zone we can try. But I said market has, where is it, market when it reached the zone around 370 380 points, I told again near channel support. I think it will continue, but if you want to book, you can go ahead. So if you had booked, okay, or else at least you should have been getting your this one to cost. Can trail SL to cost I have said. So this should have to a certain extent be a risk-free trade. Now the second trade, if you have entered, of course you would have ended up in a bigger profit, because more than the risk reward, market has given how much points movement here. And the free telegram channel I have shared around 720 730 points. Consolidation is always a problem, traders. Yes sir, took the first trade. I placed a buy. You placed a buy trade, but both the trades whatever we had discussed in the group, it was sell trade, right? Market open. Now, how many of you watching the live stream? Around 40 people are watching. If you're making use of the content which I'm sharing, if you're part of that Telegram group, right, our crypto community group, you made use of all the updates which we share, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It will motivate me to come regularly live and share my view with you about the market. See, nice profit we have made, right? Apart from that, we are trying differently today. Quickly, I'm trying to take 1 or 2 trades based on the market sentiment. If I'm able to capture a good move, it would be great, right? So usually we will wait for 15 minutes for the market to settle, things like that. That we have not done today. Before the market open only, I have taken the entry. Now the second setup I've taken, this is the next zone where I feel buyers can put pressure. If they put the pressure, we can capture nice move, or else again small stop loss. It is always okay to give small stop loss in the market. Many people keep thinking, okay, I should not give stop loss. All my trades should be profitable. It cannot be like that, right? So how many trades you take, based on that, how many times you will make profit. Out of 20 trades, 30 trades in a month to month basis, like that you have to calculate, traders. Don't have the fear of losing money. You will have fear of losing money only when you're risking more than your capacity. Don't try to do that. Whatever you can afford to lose, you lose. Good candle move. You're talking about the bullish move, or what is it? Are you speaking about this move? Still, some people. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, after liking the video, subscribing to the channel, mention your name in the comment section. I will announce your name. Okay? Let's see. 10 names I will announce. Mention your name in the comment section. See, those who have entered along with me, I said this buying pressure zone can become the selling pressure zone. From here, market can correct. I'm not worried about all that. But if you think, okay, this has converted to selling pressure zone, market can correct from here. Anyways, whoever entered with me, you would have been in profit. You want to exit, please do it. Pandian sir, thank you. Thank you for liking the live stream. Hamza, thank you so much. Are you in 1 minute time frame? Yes, sir. I'm on a 1 minute time frame, sir. I wanted to trade a bit differently today, and the setups what I shared in the crypto community group, this reversal setup also was completely based on a 1 minute time frame chart only. Where is it? Where is it? You can see 1 minute time frame. On a 1 minute time frame, we identified the setup. Elekia here. Hello, Elekia. Nice name. Thank you for liking the live stream. Venkat sir, thank you so much. I opened account link but unable to add money. Which bank account you are using? Now traders, like I said, our setup as of now, it is profitable. This buying pressure zone, it can convert to selling pressure zone. Market can stay within this range for some time. That possibility is there. You want to book, you book, or with me, if you want to hold, ensure you trail your stop loss and hold the trade. Okay. So already from the time we have entered, how much points? 400, 450 points. Good movement, right? So IOB Bank, please check, sir, if your name, what is there in the bank. Maybe just check once. Have you tried doing uh, fund transfer through IMPS? Okay, if possible, and also see if you have kept it as you should add one bank account, right? Delta will give you one account as a beneficiary. If you have added that, see if it is a current account or saving account. According to me, it should be a current account. Please check that also. Like done, sir. Jai Prakashan, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now, traders, you see, nice movement market has given. If you want to book your profit, please do. 700. Okay, I cannot say 700 points, right? I took my entry here only. But 480 points. 480 points is decent move. See, I'll leave it to you. You want to trail your stop loss, you want to book your profit, please do as you wish to. Mainly, more than the setup for me, how I look at the market, how I view Nifty, Bank Nifty, I'm not able to share. But that view I'm able to share in the crypto market, right? Because here we don't have any restriction. So, how I approach the market from that, if you are able to learn something, good, right? So, anyways, regularly we are adding funds in crypto group, Delta Exchange. For me also to fine tune stop loss hunting, price action strategies. For me also during the live market, it will be learning, and also with community members, I can discuss. Everything can happen at once. Can you kindly let us know the type of trade you are placing, whether buy or sell? Thank you. See, when I place the buy order, I'm saying, no, this is the buying zone as per my view. I'm thinking of entering here. If this breaks, bigger momentum towards the downside is possible. So from here, I'm placing my entry here. If I place my stop loss here, that means I'm taking the buy trade, right? Why did I change this? Okay. I'm not sure what is the confusion, Hamza. Please let me know exactly what the issue is. Next time I will try to correct. Satish Kumar sir, thank you for liking the live stream. Now, as of now, long trade, stop loss, market has given close to 1 is to 1.3 risk reward. Okay, I expected even more. But what to do? Market is open until the Fed meeting happens. It can be a bit volatile. All those things I have factored in. Initially, I did not factor in, but now I'm factoring in, right? Hello, sir. Gee, can you let us know how to identify buy, trade, or sell? Hello, sir. GN. Good evening. Good night. You're saying I don't. Can you let us know how to identify it's buy trade or sell trade? See, I put risk reward calculator, right? So here, if it says bracket SL trigger, that means after entering the trade SL trigger, I have placed it here. So that means my stop loss is here. If I kept my stop loss here, my entry is here, then I'm on a buy side only, right? Now, how many of you booked the first move? This move, how many of you captured? Booked the profit? Let me know. Are you still holding? What is it? What is the situation? What if we target at least up to this zone? I'm thinking at least up to this zone I can target. Of course, I've not kept the trigger for my target because I just want to analyze how far market has potential to move. Can I keep trailing my stop loss as the market moves forward, or if it moves as per my direction? If it hits my stop loss, that is the most important thing that I have kept. Target, fine, we will see. Uh, first first approach, I said people who want to exit here, please exit. Or at this zone, I said who exited, good. Who's holding on to the trade, please think about it. Hopefully market from here, if it breaks, this can be the target. but stop loss should be as per your capacity, right? For me, the stop loss is small, so I have kept it. If even you think that stop loss is small, it will not affect you, only then place the stop loss like that. Okay. Thank you for clarifying doubt. Actually, I mean, I take trade, color will be blue. So asking. When you take trade, color will be blue. See, this is the trade I have taken. Color is blue. When I go down, right? When I go down here, edit, when I place stop loss trigger, then here I will get this red color thing. Now let's say, for example, I move up. I move up. For example, I'll place this as target, copy. I'll right click here, copy the price, go down, edit. Here I'm going to paste it. I click on update. Now what happened? Target has got updated. Okay. So here it says trigger, TP. TP trigger means target trigger. SL trigger means this is SL trigger, and this is our entry level. Okay. Now this one I'll just keep it as first target. Until this new update comes, or if the Fed chairman to speak, I think it is around 10 o'clock, 10:15 our time. Until then, maybe if this market is deciding to be sideways, what can we do? Shall we re-enter now? To re-enter, market is near this buying pressure zone. It is showing some kind of pressure here also. See, if you want to re-enter, no problem. Anyways, below my price only you are getting. Maybe you can place your stop loss here. You see, market has kind of corrected up to 786 level. From here, if it bounces, you will be able to capture nice move, or else stop loss comparative to me, you have given a small stop loss. If that stop loss is as per your risk capacity, definitely you can plan one. Okay, no problem. Syed Khalid, hopefully you have got clarity. Now looking at this red candles, if you are worried, okay, what if the stop loss hit? Then don't take, wait for a green candle. For 100 lot BTC trade, they charge fee of 6.32 plus 6.3. I don't think so, sir. As per my understanding, for 100, they will charge around, let's say, 3.5 plus 3.5, around $7. It all depends on, now let's say this trade, okay? Now, for example, you have taken 100 units. You placed the entry as per the setup what I shared here. Just as an example, I'm saying. Now here, up to 1:2 risk reward, it is close to 500 points. Let's say 500 points, market corrected. You took 100 units. That means how much profit you would have made? You would have made $50. In $50, let's say you're giving $7 as brokerage. Rest how much is yours? $43 or at least $40. So the goal is to be giving small stop losses. When you capture, you have to capture bigger moment, right? So that should be your ideal goal. Over the period of time, brokerage can reduce, things can reduce, all those things can happen. But as of now, if you just want to capture small movement in the market, just 50 points, 60 points, right? Like scalping, then you have to enter with very large quantity. With 1 BTC, you are entering means 1000 quantity. with 1000 quantity. When you enter, even 100 points move, how much you will make? You will make 100 this one dollars. Quickly here, if market corrects, you will make $500. For $500, how much is the risk you are taking, or how much is the brokerage you are giving? Around $70. Minus that, balance is how much? Around at least $400 is yours. So it all depends on uh, in like this also. If you're not taking the trade, either many scalpers I know personally, my friends also, they try to capture small movement. For example, let's say they try to capture this reversal movement. This is not a very big movement, or let's say they try to capture around not even 500, 300 or 200 points. For that, they will trade with more quantity because they are scalpers, right? So, more quantity when you trade, of course, brokerage is high, but same way, profit also is high, right? So, like that, you need to take things into consideration. Market is holding this buying pressure zone. From selling pressure zone, like I said, once buying pressure zone is broken, it becomes selling pressure zone. So I will change it if people are getting confused. From selling pressure zone, we are seeing some correction. Both the things are happening in the market. So market is kind of waiting for the Fed chairman's speech. It just doesn't want to decide where it wants to be move next. It just is trying to be range bound. So hopefully by 10 o'clock, to a certain extent, we can get an idea as to uh, what the Fed chairman result can be. Based on that, we can decide. Bro, I have a doubt. What's the difference doing crypto trading from India and Singapore? And is it better if you trade from Singapore using Delta Exchange? See, if you want to open account with Delta Exchange India, you have to be you should have you should be providing India proof, right? Like PAN card, Aadhaar card, those kind of things. So this Delta Exchange India is specially designed for Indians. So those and if you are a Singapore resident or things like that, it doesn't matter from which country you are trading. Like Pakistan and all those places are banned. From there we cannot trade in Delta Exchange. They have blocked. But Singapore, Dubai, from there and all you can trade. All you have to provide is your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and Indian bank account details. That's all is needed. So there's no big change. So if you're a Singaporean and things like that, then maybe instead of using Delta Exchange India, you can use Delta.exchange. I think it comes with that blue logo, right? You can choose that. This is specially designed for Indians. Now, why we are trading in this? We are trading using Delta Exchange because it is FIO registered. That means it comes under the government rules. So since it is coming under government guidelines, we are confidently trading in BTC. Of course, anytime in this channel, I have not suggested or recommended people to buy Bitcoins, right? So buying Bitcoin, for that tax is somewhat different. Now, all we are doing is based on the knowledge that we have gained over a period of years in Nifty, Bank Nifty, based on price action, stop loss hunting. Based on that, we are taking all the trades in this market. So how this is working in the futures market, we are not owning BTC. We are just taking credit of BTC and we are trading in that, right? So for me, since I'm not owning BTC, I'm just trading in the futures market, and my trade gets over within 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Within one day, usually I try to close my trade. So I'm not holding the position of BTC. So this doesn't come under this. We can be treating as business kind of income only. Okay, For this, the tax slab will be different. If you buy crypto and you own it, for that tax slab is different. Hopefully, I've given you some clarity. Market is just trading between this range. Traders, what to do? We're not getting any setup. Now, to a certain extent, whenever, let's say, in our market also, when the finance minister is speaking, or let's say uh, RBI policy meeting we have, market will be moving more based on the sentiment of the market, or what the news update they give. That time price action, stop loss hunting, for it to work, it would be a bit challenging, right? So first, during that time, since there is Fed meeting today, price action, stop loss hunting, more to a certain extent, it might not work that great today. That is what the feeling I'm getting. So maybe for market to settle, we have to give it some more time and later decide. After the Fed chairman meeting, whatever it is based on news based movement only can happen. We will see. This thing has hit the stop loss. I've taken two small stop losses. That is okay, because here nice momentum towards the downside we have captured, right? Now those of you who wish to join our crypto community group to get free access to all these updates which I share, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. The link is provided in the description box below. You can check it out. Okay. After you open the account, just complete your first trade and reach out to this number, right? Without completing the first trade, don't reach out, because again they will ask you to complete the first trade. Why we ask you to complete the first trade? Because we need to make sure people are not spamming us, right? Genuine people who is interested in trading, hopefully only we want them to uh, you know become a part of our crypto community. That is why one small guideline we have kept. See traders, again market is trying to come to this support, it is trying to hold this support, but maybe little more correction is possible. That possibility is there. Now quickly, two trades I have tried to jump in to these trades. So it is more based on the psychology related stuff, and two times buying pressure before the crypto market opens or the US market opens. You can see I said this is the buying pressure zone, market moved nicely. I said this is the selling pressure zone, market corrected. After that, this area which I trade with small stop loss, market hit my stop loss. Why? Because market is volatility. Volatility is there in the market because of the market opening. That is the first thing. Next, Fed chairman meeting is there. So these two things are there. These two things are the issue. All the indicators like CPR, EMA, what we use, Nifty and Bank Nifty, can be work here in crypto market, right? Is it? See, I'm not. I've used price action. I've used stop loss hunting. Now all these setups, whatever I have shared, it is not any indicator based strategy, right? It is purely based on price action and stop loss hunting, exactly what I've taught people in our courses. So that is working to a certain extent. Yes, here or there small stop losses we are giving, but when we capture very good momentum we are able to get. And today morning when our setup formed, right, early morning, in that also we got nice momentum. This is indicator based strategy. Using EMA we have entered the trade. That strategy I have explained here. Everything I'm providing for absolutely free of cost. This strategy has a success rate of 50 to 60%, but when it is successful, it gives you very nice movement, close to 700,000, 2,000 points also. It all depends on how you are planning, how you are trailing your stop loss. Are you able to give that small risk in the market? So it completely depends on that. Now those of you who would have booked the first profit when market went up to this level, of course you would be very happy, right? For me, small to stop loss is it hit, no problem. Everything is part of game. It's not a game actually, part of trading. Now we will see another one more setup, another just 15-20 minutes done left. Already very nice momentum we have captured in the market before the market opens. Now this Fed meeting is there, all those things are there. Little I'm skeptical because like I said, right, price action stop loss hunting, for it to work, little problematic it can be. So again, from here, see, one attempt, small move, second attempt, sorry, where is it? First attempt, small move, failed. Second attempt, nice move, failed. This is the third attempt market is doing. So this zone, hopefully this time, if it moves, it will make a nice momentum. I hope so. I really hope this makes a nice momentum. But see, continuously, if Fed meeting was not there, I would have taken this trade. But since Fed meeting is there, I'm a bit skeptical, 50-50%. So it is showing continuation. We'll do one thing. We'll mark these levels, okay? So market is facing resistance near 382 level. So no need to plan right now. Let it go above the zone. Maybe then placing a small stop loss here, we will look for call. No need to quickly jump into the trade, give that small stop loss, again get into trap, no need. Because something else they have planned today. Can market hunt SL in the lower level? Sir, market hunting stop loss at the lower level, based on that only this trade I have taken, right? After that, this continuation happened. Here, this is the buying pressure zone. Market moved up. I said this is the selling pressure zone. Did I say this now? No. Before coming live itself, I have informed people in the group. So, where is that? I was saying this is the buying pressure zone. Later, when market was here, I was telling this the seller's pressure zone. So market, as long as it opened, it was respecting that. But once it has opened with US market is open, it tends to be volatile. That volatility is fine, but along with that, Fed chairman meeting also is there. So if the market movement is based on news, then little bit of problem. Now I feel, now lower end the stop loss hunting you are saying, right? Now the buyers who entered here, nice profit they would have made, or at least when this correction has happened, they should have exited, or when market corrected so much, they should have exited. My expectation was market again, it will start moving towards the upside, but based on news it is not moving. What to do? Hopefully, Yokesh Sundar sir, I hope you are understanding my point of view as well. If this additional move what happened in the market is based on stop loss hunting, then after hunting the stop loss, market has to move up, right? So that is why in this buying pressure zone, I was thinking of taking a buy trade here. We got the moment, but correction, I expected continuation. It did not happen. Market is correcting based on news. What to do? Based on news or the fear of Fed chairman speech. Yeah, got it. What if the Fed cuts the rate? Market will move nicely towards the upside. At least that is my expectation. Now random people after US market open, what they would have done, maybe in that way I'll start thinking. Once this level is broken, right, when it reaches, it should have acted as support, but US market broke that level. It read, it took out the confidence of people who thought of buying here. Again this zone, people thought of entering. Market again moved up, gave some confidence, again breakdown, removed them. Now how many people will have confidence to enter bearish trade? People will have confidence to enter bearish trade when maybe third, now it is here, maybe people will be interested to enter bearish trade here, right, without giving opportunity. By making a momentum like this from here only, if market reverses, that option is there, right? So with that logic, two times I've made loss, no problem to make the third loss, but just let it come out of the zone. Anyways, this live stream is around 15 minutes is left. That is what I'm thinking. Bullish candle continuation. Okay, I'm thinking about it. I've taken the trade. Okay, you are worried, you don't want to take the trade, please don't take, because like I said, Fed chairman is going to speak, things like that is happening. Based on that, what is happening? See, those of you who want, you can wait for this stop loss hunting, this one. Sorry, I don't know what is happening here. Go little higher. 103, 103,590. I don't know why it has gone to. I don't know why is it telling like that. See, third time I've placed this order. I don't know why stop loss is not getting placed here. Sorry, market order. Now third, they say third time is the charm, right? So those of you who's watching this live stream, after this breakout happens, if you want to enter, you consider entering. Okay, and maybe you can place a small stop loss here. That will be the last trade for the day. Okay, till now the breakout has not happened. You don't want to enter, don't enter. But when I trade in let's say 3 minutes time frame, or you know uh, 5 minutes time frame, I have some buffer time, right, to think. Let the candle closing happen, let me plan my trade, like that I'll keep thinking about it, right? But now since I'm trading in 1 minute, market is volatile, so quickly stop loss target is kind of getting tricky. But that is okay, because 1 minute time frame we will also get quick entries also for our trade. 90% market is down, high chance it will hit the stop loss. Okay sir, let it hit. Expecting up move now. Yeah, this is the last attempt, traders. Anyways, 49-50 minutes done. So last attempt, if market trend continues, I will capture it along with news base. I'm taking the trade. Market will be downside until it breaks 1,06,320. When did you say this, sir? 1,06,000. Okay. As per your view, that is the thing. As per my view, this is the thing. I'm okay to give the stop loss. I'm looking at now before me taking the trade also. What did I say? Two times market has removed the confidence of buyers. Third time is the charm. So now if it moves, okay, I will capture the moment. I've explained the logic. I've taken the trade. Rest is left to the market traders. What is happening in global market? From 30 40 points down, S&P, Nasdaq and all has come to neutral right now. So as per global market, it is saying very bullish, at least as per money control. I don't go by money control, but as per opening, I'm saying before it was 30 points, 40 points down. Now kind of it is opening flat. Maybe one last attempt. If this fails, I will exit, close the trade for the day, and then maybe tomorrow we will meet. At every pullback, if I had taken a bearish trade, right? At every pullback in the selling pressure zone, if I had taken the bearish trade, yes, of course, nice momentum I would have been captured. But looking at global market opening, it was flat to bearish. So two small attempts, that's okay. Stop loss is small. I think S&P Dow Jones also would have corrected a bit, and later it has people are changing their mindset to neutral, trying to hold the market, something like that. What do you think, traders? What do you think? Will the market again come hit the stop loss, or will it move towards the upside? What do you think? If we draw a trend line, it may go down. You mean to say a trend line like this? Trend line acting as resistance 1, 2, 3? Is that how you're saying? Neutral. Okay. What if bullish to sideways? Okay. I think at least one spike is needed before Fed chairman's speech, right? That is my personal opinion. I can be wrong, but I feel one momentum towards the upside. And of course, if the market reaches of this zone, right, this selling pressure zone, if it directly reaches this, holds on to this range, then next it can target people at this area. Okay. So maybe around 10 o'clock, 10:15, you just keep a tab about the market and see what is happening at this zone, right? So maybe if market is holding on to that zone and giving a breakout, then maybe nice moment you can capture. Trade signs. Okay, as per this, you are saying market can correct. This area can act as resistance. Our first target is little near above that zone itself. How I'm thinking is, okay, if it directly reaches here, corrects, later if it gives a move, bigger move is possible. I'll mark that if you want. Okay, close to 1 hour live stream done. My view is bullish. It can be bullish to sideways. 2 attempts has failed. If this attempts succeed, of course, this is not going to be the target. This is just going to be the first target. But if it moves up, maybe this can be my ultimate target. So that is something which I can be looking for by just trailing my stop loss and going. But for many people who's entered along with me, like I always say, I don't know with what risk, what capacity you have entered, right? So that is why my suggestion would be, if you by chance exited more than your risk capacity, then at least trail your stop loss. If you're happy with the profit, book the profit. Something like that you can do. Now, those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're not liked the video, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular live stream like this. Every day we come live around 8 o'clock, exactly when US market opens. See, like sir was saying some time back, we have drawn this trend line. Market is coming to this zone. If you are happy with the profit, book it. Maybe it can correct also. We cannot say. My stop loss is bigger, but in case if it hold on to this upper range, then my stop loss, I will get it off somewhere here. So like that, I will manage my risk. I don't know how you are planning right now. Continuation is happening, so good only for us. Like done, sir. Mr. Trade Science Tamil, I think. If you mention your name, உங்கள் பேர் சொல்லுங்கள் சார், ஸோ தட் அட்லீஸ்ட் உங்கள் பேர் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். சரிங்களா? Wilson. Okay, Wilson sir. Thank you for liking the live stream. Candlestick in 3-minute time frame. See, today I have decided to trade in 1-minute time frame. Okay, so in 3 minutes time frame also the same thing. Resistance, resistance, resistance. If market corrects a bit, if these buyers, if they're strong, they can push the market even further. Anyways, we know this is the selling pressure zone, so this zone will be the first target, and next zone maybe after correction up to this area. Like that we can see. Okay, do I know Tamil? ஆமாம் சார், தமிழ் நல்லா ஓரளவுக்கு நல்லா தான் பேசுவேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ நான் என்ன பேசுகிறேனோ டெஃபினட்டாக உங்களுக்கு புரியும். Again, it has come to the entry price, breakout, trend line respected, correction. From here, if the movement continues, I will capture. If it falls from here, I'll book my loss and exit. Okay. So as of now, no change in plan. Just because market is forming a candle like this, I'm not thinking of exiting. There are certain levels when I have to trail my stop loss, when I should not. As per this, the stop loss is already decided. The stop loss I will trail only when market reaches the zone and continuously again it is showing buying pressure. That time trailing stop loss makes sense, not right now. Okay, I'm okay to give that stop loss. Let me switch to 1 minute because today I'm preferring to trade on a 1 minute time frame. తెలుగు అంత రాలేదు సార్. అర్థమవుతుంది, మాట్లాడడానికి చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది సార్. This is like cricket commentary. Everyone is asking every language. Anyways, we are seeing some kind of correction and we are seeing some buying pressure at the zone. Hopefully, market formed a double top, corrected, attracted people, gave a breakdown, attracted people. From here again, if it corrects, maybe the first target will be achieved. Okay. So close to 1 hour time frame, close to 1 hour live stream is done. Now, as of now, I'm not going to change the stop loss. Just imagine that my target for the trade is going to be this zone. Okay. Here correction, if it moves, that will be the target. If it bounce from here only, I'll give the stop loss and I will exit. Okay. View is very clear. After reaching this level, if market is showing continuation, then I will hold on to the trade where the next selling pressure zone, which is this, right? 1:2 risk reward. That will be my next target. As of now, this is the first target. Okay. So for many people, before I close the live stream, if you're a bit worried about the Fed cutting the interest rate, what is going to happen, that news update, wait until 10-11 o'clock. Let the crypto market settle. Later, if you want, you can plan your trade. Okay. As of now, this is the view. Not going to exit this trade because stop loss is as per my capacity. I know this is the resistance. Even if it corrects, my expectation is it will reach at least the first target. Maybe it can decide to reach the second target also and give me 1:2 risk reward, right? So trading in 1 minute time frame was fun. In crypto, usually I don't do. Only in Nifty and Bank Nifty it is comfortable for me because crypto is a bit volatile, right? So that is why I usually trade in 3 minutes, but still 1 minute is fun. Anyways, thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. I'm from Bangalore, sir. हिंदी भी बात कर सकता हूँ, ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करने के लिए कोशिश कर सकता हूँ. बात करने के पहले ज़्यादा सोचने के बाद ही बात कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि हिंदी इज़ नॉट माई फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज. सो वैसा है. ओके. एनीवेज, thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Good night. Have a good. God bless you.